Imagine it's payroll week. Your team is running payroll across multiple cycles, weekly for your hourly staff, bi-weekly for contractors, monthly for salaried employees. Reports are being exported, emails are going out to finance. Just another normal day in payroll. But then, finance replies, "Hey, which of these reports is for this month's pay run?" Your team exported 6, weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, and nobody can tell which is which. Now someone's writing a follow-up email just to explain a file. Someone else is on a call trying to clarify pay cycles. And during an audit, one wrong report handed over can cost you hours or trigger a resubmission. What if every payroll report just told you what it was the moment you opened it? No digging, no emails, no guesswork. HR Blizz just made it effortless. Every payroll report now shows the pay group right at the top, on screen, in Excel, in PDF. Weekly, monthly, bi-weekly. Crystal clear, every time. Share with finance, they know instantly. Send to auditors, no cover notes needed. Run 3 pay groups at once, all labeled, all clear, 0 setup. It just works. Payroll reporting just got clearer. This update is live now for every HR Blizz user. No setup required. See the full release notes at the link below.